We know Kriya Yoga. What is the meaning of Kriya? Kri means action, doing, or karma, happening. Ya means he, self, being. So this is Kri and Ya. The connection of Kri and Ya is Kriya.